Alright, what's up guys? I know it's been a hella long time since I ended up bringing out another video. It's been about 2 weeks, 2 long, crucial weeks. And pretty much I've been taking my time on this Honda. It's and pretty much waiting on parts, which takes very long and it's very annoying. But we did get some packages in from FedEx. And we're just gonna go ahead and open it up, see what we got, and pretty much show you guys and pretty much get you guys a little bit involved in what we got today. So here we got big old box right here. Shout out to China for hooking this up. Sit down right here. So let's go ahead and pop this thing open, see what we got inside. Now I did mention in the other videos that, I mean, you guys should know what this is by now, but here goes one box. Alright, put this thing down. There it is. That's right guys, we got some piping. We finally got some intercooler piping. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to go ahead and put the turbo piping on the Honda and get that thing put together. So we got the piping, we got some couplers right here, JDM Sport right there, bunch of clamps, bunch of clamps, and that's it. So that's one box. Let's see what else we got here. Cut this thing open. All right. Wow. Pretty all right. Oh, already messing it up. There we guys have it. JDM Sport front mount intercooler for our 1996 Honda Civic HX turbo project. So let's go ahead and get this thing mocked up. I'm super excited to put this thing together today. The turbo won't be on right now, but hopefully by the next 2 weeks it should be well finished. So let's go ahead and grab this and mock it up. So first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretty much take the Honda, throw it on the lifts, so just so we can raise it up a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Move the air box. Yeah, pull the air box, pull these vacuum hoses off, and disconnect the one of these sensors, and put the piping together and see if we can mock everything up together. So that's what we'll go ahead and do. Alright, so we got our socket, we got a 10 mil. Pretty much everything on there is going to be a 10 millimeter anyway, so let's go ahead and pull this thing apart. Air box out. Okay, got this elbow piece out. This is going to the garbage. Alright, now that we got the air box out the way, we're gonna go ahead and clean up the throttle body a little bit. We did put a new fuel filter on there. Garbage truck going by. I'm definitely gonna need some new engine mounts for sure. That one's pretty crusty as hell. The bottom ones don't look too safe. Yeah, they don't look so good. They're all crusty and stuff. So I think that'll be our next step to go ahead and get. But for right now, we are gonna go ahead and move some of these wires out the way. We are gonna go ahead and clean that up, clean this up because it's hella dirty. It snowed like last week, and there was just salt all over the place. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that up, degrease that. What else should we do? I think that'd be good, and we'll go ahead and test out the pipe, see what we got. Okay, so just gonna clean some of this area up because I hate my car to be dirty. I like a nice clean engine bay. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this thing together, put some pieces together, right? Okay, yeah. And your cooler can stay there. This thing has like absolutely zero instructions, but it's all good. We know what we're doing, right? Me, you, we know what we're doing. Dude, that's hella dookie. I'm gonna have to fix that. I don't know if you guys see that, but it's not even at all. So, assuming that goes there. Or could go that way. Again, no instructions, so you, me, we know what we're doing. If you like puzzles, this is definitely a puzzle. Oh, I'm guessing this goes to the throttle body? Maybe. There's a vacuum hose on it, so oh, it does do the little curvature thingy. I've got no idea. See if we can get some luck putting all this stuff together. Mad JDM, bro. Yo, this car's gonna be hella JDM. You guys don't even understand. So this is gonna go in a big piece, obviously. Big piece, connector piece. It's there. It's there. This is obviously the small piece, and it's a connector, so it's going to connect something together. Then again, the rest of them have connector pieces. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know what's going to what. You guys aren't even getting a headshot. Let's try to move this up a little bit. Is that okay? That's okay. Yeah. This is a small piece, so small piece obviously is going to go with a small piece, right? Right? I'm just juggling here. What's the instructions? Who's got them? Come to my crib like that, bro. I feel like this is very crucial. Has to be an outlet that way.
Here. Can't imagine this thing sitting that low.
That actually may work. Trial and error. That's all I gotta say for this. They got like 2.5-inch pipes and 2-inch pipes, like, for what? Why, bro? I want the 2.5-inch. No, honestly, I really just want the 2-inch. I think that'd be way too big. Which way were you going on? This way? This way. That looks like it's gonna work. So, I'll show you what I got set up. Alright, so this looks like it's gonna set up right. See, I think it goes through the hole. I'm not sure. You guys let me know. But from there, wastegate or blow off valve. Down there, coming over, and then somewhere over there. But I don't know what's up with those pieces. Maybe those are for the Integra. But we're just gonna go ahead and go with it, see if it mocks up right. Okay, so we might be going with that right there. I don't know if you guys can even see my head, but we're gonna go with this anyways. This right there, that looks like it's gonna work right there. You guys can't even see what I'm talking about. Yeah. Let's see. Hopefully that doesn't fall. It's there. Give me a coupler. Coupler, if this coupler goes on. Hella tight. That's what she said. Alright, that's on there. Where's the jack stand? Jack stand. Number 1. Jack stand. Number 2. Alright. Get this, if I could ever get this camera. Alright. That's hella cricket, isn't it? That's so freaking cricket. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't know. Alright, guys, so we are officially done putting the intercooler on. Now, in the beginning I did have the intercooler upside down because it did not fit properly, but somebody mentioned that on my Facebook comments and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get railed because of that. So we cut and bolted some stuff to make it work. It's not the prettiest, but it will do. So that's what I got there. Destroyed my bumper, cut it to pieces so that everything could fit on properly, because I did not want to get eaten alive by people in the comments killing me. So we got all that in. And by the way, we did get our blow off valve in the mail just a second ago, so we got that thing all ready, locked and loaded. Last thing I want to do is get this and plug it into there, drill a hole, JB weld, whatever it is, what it is. We got that going. Intercooler is completely tight. We got the piping right there. I am gonna put a filter on there in a second, because I am going to leave all this stuff on there. Call me a racer, it is what it is, but this is my daily, so you gotta work with what you got. So everything's all put together. Next probably next week, what I'm gonna do is put the turbo on, so stick around. As you can see, I got my tripod, I got boxes full of tools and freaking bumpers, and everything's all over the place. But I'm gonna call it a wrap right now. Thank you everybody that's been subscribing and watching my videos. You guys are the best. Please stay tuned, like, share, subscribe if you guys want more content. We're out here, we're doing it. As you can see, this is a straight up budget build. I don't have much tools to work with. I just got what I got. And stay tuned. Thanks everybody for watching.